trying to incorporate a lesson about language, idioms would be one of the most interesting topics along. In our daily conversation, we are not sometimes aware that we are already using these expressions. So idioms or idiomatic expression is an expression that has figurative meaning conventionally understood by native speakers, meaning it is an expression that has hidden meaning out of the literal one. Now, if idioms are conventionally understood by native speakers, it would be then hard for someone who is in attempt to learn a new foreign language in understanding the idioms of the language he or she is learning, because idioms are culturally based. Meaning, we have to understand first something about the people or community in which idioms are used, because idioms, as I have said, is culturally based. Meaning it differs from culture to culture due from its usage, the meaning, and the such. Just like, for example, the British and the Americans. We know that they speak the same language, but then they might not understand the idioms of each other due to the culture variation. Now let us try to look on some of the common examples of the Filipino expressions we try to incorporate in our daily conversations. The first one is bungang araw. In translation to English, we have fruit of the sun, which do not literally exist. The meaning of this when used in conversation is prickly heat. Putut balat, bones and skin, which means malnourished. Makapalang bulsa, thick pocket, which means a person with many money. And contrary to this, we have butasang bulsa, hole in the pocket, which means a person with no cash. Makatiyang paa, itchy feet, someone that enjoys going to places or someone who is an adventurer, like Dora. And then, last one, we have makatiyang dila or itchy tongue, who is a talkative person. So viewing all of these idiomatic expressions, we try to conclude that the idiomatic expressions that the Filipino have is used to describe specific characteristics or a particular trait a person may exhibit. We have also tengang kawali, balat sibuyas, nagsusunog ng kilay, and such. So in every language and culture, it has its own set of idiomatic expressions. That's why when we are dealing with idioms, we are not just dealing with expressions, but also idioms transpires, exhibits, and mirrors the culture and language of a certain group of people.